welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a glow up video because I really need it. I've currently got the Pixi eye patches on. These are amazing. I love them. I thought that I would do like another day in the life but glow up edition. I'm getting my hair done, which I just feel like when your hair's done, it just makes everything else feel better. I am gonna go and get my eyebrows done. I'm redoing my lashes. I use Tatti lashes and I do them myself. And I'm gonna do my nails. I've done the tan, and then we're gonna get ready and go out because we're going up to London tonight. I'll take you with me. First stop is hair. I absolutely love getting my hair done. I really look forward to it because it gives me like such a fresh start, I feel like. When your hair is nice, everything else just feels nice. Like if you have like amazing makeup, amazing outfit, but your hair's wrong, everything's gonna feel wrong. Whereas if I start with my hair being nice, that just makes me feel better overall. I don't know why. I don't know if anybody else can relate to that. Gracie Abrams has just released her version of the I love you, I'm sorry, when she goes, I won't do it, but her version when she goes up. So I'm gonna listen to that on repeat. Also, I'm in the smallest space ever. I was hoping that one of these cars would move, but it hasn't. And every time I come back, I get back into this space because there's nowhere else available. We'll do it together. We'll get out together. That's how close I am. And there's people everywhere watching me do this. I did it. You made it back just in time. Okay, I'll see you when I get there. You got a little bit flung around in there. I'm here all safe. I'm so excited. Does anybody else, when you get in your car to go somewhere, I just love it. I get in my car and I just feel like, yay. I have the best hairdresser, her name is Reese, but she is having a baby. So I've actually got someone called Lucy who has done a blow dry for me before and it was amazing. So I still have high hopes. Let's go. Feeling fresh and blonde. I'm just gonna call my eyebrow lady. Hair all done, love it. See if she can fit me in.
Vicky, how can I help you?
Hi, do you have space for eyebrow threading in about 15-20 minutes?
Yes, you can come, yeah.
Okay, thank you. Bye, bye. Yay! Next stop, eyebrows. Hair done, eyebrows next. My hair is feeling so fresh, super fresh. I love it. I meant like what I said when I said that when your hair's done, you just feel so much better. And I do. I feel so fresh. I feel like a new person. I can conquer anything, I think. Anyway, next up on the glow up is eyebrows and lashes. Now, I just went and got my eyebrows threaded. Growing up, I always hated my eyebrows because I always used to have like really big eyebrows when I was growing up. So now I keep them, I don't know, they are still a little bit thick. They're probably, I'm not sure. But anyway, so she's threaded them, but I've always had super dark eyebrows and super light hair. So I'm actually just gonna dye them slightly. And I have been to places where they've threaded them and dyed them for me, but I just walk away and I have like two like blocks of like black eyebrows, like dark brown eyebrows, and I don't know why they do that because I say every time. And I went to like Benefit and paid like £20 or something. I said I just want them super natural, just like filled in a bit. She was like, yeah, no worries. And they were literally like a line, like a block line like that. So now I just do them myself. So I use the Eyelure. I use the Eyelure. Oh my god, what the hell's on me? I use this in the shade dark brown and it says to leave on for 15 minutes. I only do like 7. And it's probably more just like a thing with me, but as you can see, I've used this one before. Just kind of find anywhere where I haven't already used, because I only use a tiny bit. Fun fact, I actually used to do lashes and eyebrows for a short amount of time. So I feel like things like this I can be trusted with. My eyebrow lady that I went to, she's so good, but she literally did them in like 2 minutes and I love it because I always get really panicky when I'm getting my eyebrows threaded. I don't know why, but I'm like, anyways, she's super fast, which is why I go to her, and she's really lovely and she's great. I just mix this in. Just like this. And leave the smallest amount. I feel like if your hair's done and your eyebrows are done and you've got lashes on, then you can just wake up and conquer the day, you know? Wake up and slay the day away. And then I just do like a tiny bit off the tail here as well. I'm getting a little bit more confident now, aren't I? Oh no. Is she looking slay? Maybe. Almost. She's almost looking slay. Now we wait 7 minutes. A little tip that I would say is when you do your eyebrows, don't look away. Like obviously when you do them, but whilst they're working their magic, don't look away, because I'll be like this. 2 minutes go by and then they're like super dark. I don't know, I feel like it's like slow and then it goes really quickly. I'm gonna sit here and stare at you until the time is up. Joking. Welcome to my bathroom. Time to take them off. I just use some water. If you can use the micellar water, but if you use like an eye makeup remover, then it just takes off all the pigment, so it's kind of defeats the whole point. You're either a DIY girly or you're not, and I very much am a DIY girly. Love, love, love. I'm happy with those. My biggest fear, okay, well not my biggest fear, a fear of mine is leaving them on for too long and then they're going really dark, like thinking I've got it all off and then I haven't, and then I catch myself in the mirror later on and I'm like, oh my god, what is up with that? She's done, she can dry now. To me, they're perfect. Now it's my favourite time, it's lash time. I used to get my lashes done every like 2 or 3 weeks. I was addicted to it, like lash extensions. I have a lot of lashes, but they're just not very long. I'm currently using the UK Lash Eyelash Serum, which I'm loving, by the way. But anyway, I do my lashes myself, and I've had these Tatti lashes on for a week and a half, maybe. I love them. It's the Invisilash range, so I've actually ordered some more. I'll show you how much I love them, because this is all of the ones I have, but they're pretty much like empty in here. I try and take them out and reuse them when I can, but I treated myself to a brand new set, and also my glue was going a little bit, jeez, my glue was going a little bit glunky. Yeah, glunky, so I took it out. So I got Très Chic, I then got Haute Culture, and I then got A La Mode. So what I do is I use, and I'm religious at this now, Très Chic 10 to 12, and then in the middle it goes to A La Mode 12, 12, maybe 114, lengthwise I'm talking about. And then it goes into Haute Couture, and I actually cut them in half and maybe do a few flicky bits on the end depending on how the rest of it's gone, but I'll show you. I got the lash glue, so you have the lash glue that you put onto your lashes and then you put the thing on underneath, and then you have the bonder on the other side and you bond it into place so it doesn't move, and honestly it does not move. I also got an applicator because I don't know where mine's gone. Someone's like come into my house, gone through my eyelash drawer and stolen my applicator, like, and taken nothing else. To be fair though, first of all I need to take these ones off. I'm not going to show you the whole thing because no one wants to see me without eyelashes on, okay? I've got the Tatti Lashes eyelash remover here, and then apparently you just, it's like got rose oil in it, and you should just be able to do this. Ah! I can't believe how easy that literally just came off. I've done this eye completely. Just thought I'd show you what I do, so I'm going to finish off this eye. She's half done, and that's a little flick. Now, you can go a little bit longer on the ends. I'm going to keep it fairly natural today. Sometimes I go a little bit longer. So you literally just like... I got the clear glue because I find it less clunky, less chunky. I'm just making up words today, honestly. 12, 12. And I try to... And that's literally it. I try to overlap them a little bit if I can. I put them on and then I kind of just like press them in a little bit. Try not to like blink your eyes too much because then they'll get stuck to your bottom lashes. And then just like that. Done. Now let them dry a little bit so they're not too tacky, and then with the applicator I then go over the top, slide them in very gently and press them together like this. Just to make sure they're all stuck. A bit of give and take until you realise what works for your eyes, like what kind of eye shape you like. I've been using these for months now, so I know that this is my favourite kind of style. So I use the Bond to stick them on, and now I'm going to use the Seal to keep them in place. It's like a little brush like this, and you literally just dust them like that. You can also do it on the top, but just don't get it on the lashes here, on the tops of your lashes, because then it will leave kind of like a little bit of a residue on there, and it will really annoy you, like irritate you a bit, or maybe it's just me. Perfect. Brows are done, hair's done, I need to do my nails, and then I need to kind of get ready just like in general, I think. Next up, I'm gonna do nails. As I'm DIY girly, for my nails I use the kit by Sassy Saints. I always have a bunch of discounts on their website, so make sure that you search for a discount. You will take one of them that will be Base It, coat it on your nail, dip it into the powder, let it dry, do it again, let it dry, do it again, and then you activate it, and then you put the top coat on. And it's fine because you don't use UV lights, but it has the same effect as gels. It's super strong. Bubblegum Bombshell, a pinky colour. And then I'm also going to do Shimmering Siren. Shimmering Siren is so pretty. It's a sparkly pink. I'll show you. Can you see that? It looks so pretty on your nails. I'm moving you down here so I can show you. You can put the base on. Dip base. You just put it on like a normal, nail polish, and then you just dip it in like that, tap it off, and do that to all of your other nails. I'll show you again. And you do 3 to 4 coats like this, dip it in, tap it off. It depends how strong you want the colour. This is quite a not that thick of a colour, it's not that bright of a colour because it's just like a ballet pink. So I normally do 2 coats of this and then 2 coats of Shimmering Siren. Now it's my favourite bit because we get to put on the Shimmering Siren for the sparkle, so I'll show you. Shimmering Siren time. It's so pretty. Okay, so you literally do the same thing again. So this is my 3rd coat. Okay, so before, tap, 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 tap. I don't know if you can see as well, but it's so sparkly and I love it. Okay, so I'm going to do 2 coats of that on both my nails now. I've put all of the layers on now. This is stage 2, it's Activate. And you can be pretty loose with this. You just want to like coat this all over them. Just make sure that the stage before is completely dry, otherwise this brush is going to get all gunky. Or clunky, as I like to say. And then you give that 2 minutes to set, and then you file on top of your nails to make sure that they're all even. And then you put on the top coat. Top coat time. You actually do 2 top coats. The first top coat I think is to lock it in, and then the second one is for the shine. Oh my gosh. Now the colour is popping. Don't worry if they still look messy, okay? Don't worry. I can feel you worrying, but just don't. 2 top coats done. Now I just need to nourish it and clean up the sides a little bit, and then they are done. So in your Sassy Saints kit, you get this little thing that's nourish it, and just like this, you just go around the edges. Just nourishing my nails. It's been a busy day of glowing up. I've got my hair done, I've done my nails, I got my eyebrows threaded, I then dyed my eyebrows, I've taken off my old lashes, I've redone my lashes. Now it's time to skincare and makeup. So I'm gonna skip this to once I've done all of those things, and if you want a more in-depth makeup tutorial about how I do my makeup, then let me know. I'm going to be using the Rhode Skincare. I normally use this every night after I wash my face, but if I know I'm going to be out and about, then I might do it before, and if I want to be really moisturised, then I'll do it all before. So I'm going to do my Rhode Skincare, and I am going to do a video all about my nighttime routine with my Rhode Skincare because I love it so much. So I'm going to moisturise up and then do my makeup and pick an outfit, but I'll show you that. And switch to makeup. And I'm done. Had a very productive glowing up day today. Hair, lashes, brows, makeup, tan, nails. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. So I'm gonna go out now and enjoy some drinks in London. I'll close out here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you have any ideas for future videos we could do, if you like this kind of stuff, please let me know in the comments and subscribe. I'm hoping by the time this goes up I hit 300. I think I'm at like 293 now, and I'm still trying to get 1,000 before the end of the year, so we've got like 3 months, 2.5 months ish, so fingers crossed, fingers crossed. But yeah, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it and that you can give some of these things a little try, some of these little tips and tricks. But thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye. Are you okay? Sorry about that.